Here we change to mathematics to the November. Start with paper 1, question number 1. Remember this paper, you don't have a calculator. For A, it is the right hand expression for g of x. The first thing you need to remember is the sequence. You need to substitute the fx into gx and you'll get the result. Try to do it. Yes, that's it. Okay, just substitute x minus 3 inside, and the result will be x minus 3 all squared plus k squared. Remember, I need to simplify it and test the result, because it doesn't ask about which kind of expression you need to do. And for the b, okay, you need to solve the equation by substituting x equal to, and then the value equals to 10, and then you find k. Be careful, possible values, so probably more than 1. Try to work on it now. Got it? That's it. Okay, just substitute the number inside. And this is 1. So k squared is 9. That's the trick, so k can be plus or minus 3. Do you get the answer? Again, let me show you the marking scheme. Take a look. Check your answer. Here we got all the marks. Well done.